Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mawyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Size, page baru tu gini. Ani.
La bon sin ngila penmi khobor halor ka jingkan rei udrox halom sorbe bat ka jingele jong ki pulet ka anti narcotic task force jong ka jela bantem ya ka jingkhai ka baki briu ki jupulong ha ka ketem henrei kat nang ya ki singia kata ka kamsniu kala wanra ka jingso si ka bakrau ye ki babun ki long yeng kadang jelei ka dauba dausan ka dei baki briu ki basa hangni ki dei ki bam itu sudah ki briu ki baim kamai jasngi dakabata marjot di jingbam lingkhot lingkai bat khai jingdi penbuat menta kasi ka khanyo tarik unailar arja punrio ka office u deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district kala pelong daka joint inspection hakabau SP jongka district u DP ka ANTF kumjo USP ka tanah traffic u DC u chief engineer distribution MESEB Chief Engineer PWD Roads, Kumju u CEO Shillong Cantonment Board, kilay don lang krui ban jurib, bat kmi banya, kanang ban la ban le ay shisendon kaddo yawai.
This is the even these people who are looking this land falls under what?
So there is a book called Behind the All Residential. It's SMB.
So means these are all private owners? All private. Only has a parking lot there, this litigation is certain houses. The rest of all these places, it's part of the litigation.
No, but yeah, tell me one thing. Over here, so there is no private ownership. No? I mean, the land belongs to, basically, the land belongs to municipality and DC revenue, and then we lease it out to people. So this
doesn't have lease.
This doesn't have lease. So SMB must be claiming it, and private owners are resisting it. Shall it? Okay.
Because these are the long ages and generations and generations. ये कितना बड़ा होगा यहाँ से?
Tell me again, please. 0.248 hectares. Acres is the disputed land between the
whole area 26 0.248.
Lum survey, not Punjabi land. Drain case site.
Yes.
So we want to see, we can see from.
Actually, are different.
So this is litigation between the people here.
Yes.
Okay.
Parties, three parties.
Story of humanity है, people living in squalor than religious places in the streets, है ना? Go to villages.
Size. Pet baru tuh gini. Tadi.
Where is the Nala?
I'll show you. Behind these houses.
I've seen the video also. The drone video.
Yeah, yeah. So the how these houses were covering the nala. Some. This is the this land falls under what?
So there is a book called Behind the All Residential. It's SMB.
So means these are all private owners? All private. Only has a parking lot there, litigations like
Certain houses. The rest of all these places?
it's part of the litigation. Right?
No, but yeah, tell me one thing. Over here, so there is no private ownership. No? I mean, the land belongs to basically the land belongs to municipality and DC revenue, and then we lease it out to people. So this
doesn't have lease.
this doesn't have lease. So SMB must be claiming it, and private owners are resisting it. Chale, okay.
Because these are the long ages and generations and generations.
ये कितना बड़ा होगा यहाँ से? Tell me again, please. 0.248 hectare. Acres is the disputed land between the
The whole area 26, 0.248.
Loom survey, not Punjabi land. Drain case site.
Yes.
If you want to see, we can see from.
Actually, यार दिखते हैं.
Specification between the people here.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Three parties.
Story of humanity है. People living in squalor and then religious places in the streets. है ना? Go to villages.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa ba finchet da kajo shi kajo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko neka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpiang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata lembaka ruko kakot kakya per kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
Iperti yang tau ki Ivan. Em ko wi ko prom ko au khanai phi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกอมคันตอมฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทอย่างกันหลักพา
Bon sen ki brum juk kli pha ki yang. Tang ki khmat phom chna. Yi ya phayo dai.
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên su gà gram mò tọt bún gà gram tem etiar đi phi. Tôi con đây nè.
Dạ khi biểu ngài nè mà. Em khi mà vào tâm anh em già hết.
Em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu.
Em ini pergi yang pergi ke kuat lain ni training ke boleh benai. Ni mata bawa cina bawa sains suruh.
Ngà có ai âm mà lại.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa wong. Hikai gua nongkong daga sampel desain gua ar. Dah hikai segi desain mana je dia kan ya sampel desain.
Segini ke cek tu ram usah ke arma.
Kampung da tharanga la do mesin dia sket da kam kwa.